Hi there, Premiere Guy here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Ripple Edit tool. So, let's bring up Premiere Pro. Before we get started, you can download the footage that I am using today from Pexels Videos and videvo.net. I'll put the links in the description for you. Why do we need to use the Ripple Edit tool? Let me show you an example. If we use the selection tool and go to the end of this turtle video clip, we are going to trim it by 3/4. We can see, we have now left a massive gap, and so we have to move the car clip all the way back to sit next to the turtle clip. Imagine if there were loads of clips that needed this done. Think of all that clicking and dragging. There has got to be a better way. Thankfully, Premiere Pro has a tool to make this process easier. Let's go to our toolbar and choose the Ripple Edit tool, or the keyboard shortcut is B. This tool is going to be a lifesaver, as it trims the clip, and then automatically moves the rest of the clips with it, without leaving any gaps. Let's give it a go. We are going to the end of this turtle video clip to trim it by 3/4. We will see that the arrow turns into this yellow looking arrow. Drag it to the point where we want it, and release. As we can see, the clip is shorter while the car clip moves with it. Now, let's try it again at the beginning of this clip. Watch as the arrow turns yellow and then drag it forward. We can see immediately that the effects have been made. The start of the sequence now starts at the cut we have just made, without moving any of the clips manually, like before. What if you want to ripple one frame at a time? Can we do that? Yes. We can, by selecting the start, or the end of a clip, then holding down the Alt key, and pressing the left or right keys to edit, one frame at a time. You can also access the Ripple Edit tool via the selection tool, by holding the Command key on Mac, and Control key on Windows. If you want to be really fussy like myself, you can double-click on one of the ends of the video clip, and the program monitor will bring up those two clips. From here, we can adjust the cut how we want it. Pretty good, hey? We can go back 5 frames at a time by clicking on the -5 button, or go back 1 frame at a time by selecting -1 button. If we wanted to ripple delete the car clip, we can, by clicking on it in the program monitor and making those changes. The same for going forward. Go 5 frames forward at a time by clicking on the +5 button, or go forward 1 frame at a time by selecting the +1 button. Another way of doing it is by dragging the clip directly on here. For the turtle clip, we have to drag it to the left if we want to go towards the start, and right if we want to go towards the end of the video clip. Same goes for the car clip. Drag it to the left if we want to go towards the start, and right if we want to go towards the end of the video clip. That's it. You have now learned how to use the Ripple Edit tool in Premiere Pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.